Hi everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new. If you have been here for a while, you know that I am in a new place once again. I'm only mentioning this because it's annoying me that I don't have consistency in my filming area, in like my filming backgrounds, but hopefully you guys don't mind too much. I'm trying to figure it all out, you know. I keep like going back and forth between like my place, my sister's place. So yeah, I even went out and bought a whole like backdrop setup thing. And I don't like the way that looks, so I'm trying to figure it all out. Hopefully you guys don't mind. Either way, I'm back with another video and I hope you guys are excited for today. So today I'm going to be transforming these straight clip-in hair extensions to match my naturally curly hair. I got these clip-in extensions from the brand Irresistible Me, and I'll show you guys what they look like. I did mess around with them a little bit already, so they are kind of wavy right now. These are what the extensions look like right now, but I am going to insert a clip of when I actually unbox them and you guys can see exactly what they look like once I took them out the package. So I'll insert that clip right now. And then I'll just talk a little bit about the ones that I received. So I got the classic clip-ins from the Silk Touch line. I got 200 grams of the medium brown color and I got them in 24 inches. So Irresistible Me has two clip-in hair extension lines. They have the Silky Touch line. So yeah, the Silky Touch line is gonna blend very nicely into your hair. It has like that natural thickness at the top and then it gets thinner at the bottom, just like your natural hair does. And the other line they have is the Royal Remy line, and these are going to be the ones that you choose if you want a lot of volume in your hair. They're going to have the same thickness all around. There's no decrease or increase in the thickness at all. So those are the two hair extension lines that you can choose from. Irresistible Me is probably the only website that offers you full customization of the hair that you choose. So you can choose the weight and you can choose the length. So if you want 200 grams of 14-inch hair, then that's what you can choose. And they also offer free returns and exchanges for purchases made in the United States and Canada. So if you do choose some hair that maybe doesn't match your hair color or you chose the wrong length, you can return it for free or get an exchange for free so you can get your perfect match. And they also offer international shipping, so you can purchase this hair from anywhere in the world. If you end up liking it and you're interested in buying, I will leave all their links down below. I think I will have a discount code. If I do, it will be right here on the screen and also in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. So the clip-ins already have kind of a little curl to them because I did try to make this video already, but I was using a curling wand, like one of the wands that get like thick to thin, and I tried to curl it to match my curl pattern, but that wasn't working. So it did not match my hair at all. So I actually went out and bought this 1/2-inch spring curling iron. I just got this from Target actually, and this one's going to be way thinner, so I think I'll be able to match my actual curl pattern. So I'm just gonna unbox this. So this one is super thin. I think this is gonna work out really good. While my curling iron heats up, I'm gonna show you guys the different wefts that I received. The wefts, I had to literally look that word up because this is my first time using clip-in hair extensions, and I was like, what is a weft? But now I know. So this is the first weft. It is 4 clips. It's the largest one, and these are what the clips look like. You just snap them open and close like that. Super easy, and they feel like they're going to be very secure in my hair. Like you have to put like a little bit of pressure just to make sure you're opening and closing it properly. But yeah, that's one weft. And the next largest one are these 3 clip wefts, and I got 2 of those. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the double clip weft. And then lastly, I just got these 2 singular wefts. Wefts or weft? Weft or wefts? Those are all the wefts that I got. Now, let's see if this is hot enough. That's hot enough. So in order to curl these extensions, I'm going to kind of secure them in this little desk drawer that I have right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'll probably reposition the camera in a little bit, but I'm just gonna stick them in the drawer. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Hold on. Just securing it in the drawer like this will just help you, unless you have something else you can clip it to. This will just help you hold the hair in position while you curl it. I'm gonna actually lower you guys once again. Okay, you guys can't really see my face, but hopefully you're able to see what I'm doing good enough. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start curling these, and I'm just gonna be random about it, not using the clippy part. I'm just gonna wrap it as if it was a wand. Then I'm not going to do all of them the same direction and all of them the same amount of hair. I'm just going to be really random about it, because obviously if you have naturally curly hair, your curls are all random. They don't all spiral in the same exact way. So I'm gonna alternate which way I curl each piece of hair, and then just take different amounts of hair every time. So this is what one piece of hair looks like after I curled it. This looks so much more like my natural hair pattern than it did with the regular curling one. So I'm really happy that I got this. But it actually took me quite a while to do this. So I'm just going to be back once I finish curling all of the pieces. Guys, so I am officially done curling all of the extensions. And that took me like 20 minutes. I just dropped one. So yeah, that took me like 20 minutes, but they came out very, very pretty. And now all I have to do is kind of fix up my natural hair before I start clipping this in. You guys, I posted this on my Instagram story and also my YouTube story, but I've been wet plopping my hair and it's like my new favorite thing. I'm gonna make a video on it soon, but look how defined my curls are. This is from last night, but now I have to kind of separate them because there's still a lot that are very clumped together, and I want to have more volume and just have like a looser curl. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and separate these curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this double row pick that I got from Cantu and just kind of pick out my hair to get a little bit more volume. Just wanna make sure you're putting it like in your root and then pushing upward. Okay, so this is my hair all separated and picked out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start clipping in some of these extensions. So you guys obviously seen the color that I chose. I chose medium brown, like I said. I chose this color because I wanted it to match more so the ends of my hair because they are a little bit lighter. So let's see. It's not the best match, but maybe when it's all blended in it won't look as bad. So I'm going to section off my hair so I can start inserting them from the back, and it's not going to be a perfect line. I'm just going to try to separate this. So I'm going to go in first with a triple weft, and I'm going to open the clips. You guys can see they're open. And then when I insert them, I'm just going to kind of like wiggle it a little bit to make sure that it's in my hair before I close the clip. So that's the first one in. I'm going to separate another piece of hair. I just finished clipping in all of the extensions and I love the way that my hair came out. I think my hair looks and feels so much fuller and it has so much more volume. The color matches perfectly. I was so nervous about the color because it looks so different than what my hair looked like, but I think it blends beautifully. And the length, I did get 24 inches and I think my natural hair is about right here, which is maybe about 22. So I don't see that much of a difference. I mean, you can obviously see it's a little bit longer because those pieces are thinner, but it didn't give me any drastic length. But if you have shorter hair, 24 inches will be amazing on you and give you long, luscious locks. I'm really happy with the way that this came out. I feel like I need to go out. Obviously we're still in quarantine, so I'm like, what am I supposed to do now that I look this cute? So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out Irresistible Me Hair down in the description box. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe before you go. I appreciate every single one of you so much. We're almost at 100K. I'm trying to get to 100K before my birthday. I'm filming this on May 1st and my birthday is exactly in 29 days. Or 30 days. My birthday's on the 30th, so shout out to all my Geminis. Let's get to 100K before May 30th. That will be my little birthday present. So thank you guys once again for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!